Let me introduce myself. My name is Luke and I'm going to take over for Harvey and do the voice-over for this video, and show you how easy this auto video production software works. In the rest of this video I'm going to give you a few ideas on how to produce 1 to 5 YouTube videos a day, dominating your competition, pushing them to the second and third page. If you are camera shy, I will do the voice-over for you if you wish. Do you want a female voice? I have a female associate who can stand in for me doing the voice-over for your videos. This powerful video production software will automatically select the scenes for you related to your content. An example might be if you are showcasing a fitness video. This image scene you are looking at right now was generated by this software. How about video clips? Yes, this software has hundreds of video clips like the one you are watching right now. Do you have your own video clips? You can insert your own video clips any place you like. I'm sure you have noticed the content in these scenes. Before you get started with scenes and selecting a voiceover, you will write your entire video content in this software. Then once you are happy with the content, this software will select the best scene related to the content you wrote. You can request to have me do the voiceover, or you can actually read the content yourself. It's easy to produce 1 to 2, even 5 videos a day with this software, taking no longer than an hour or two. As you probably know, YouTube does not allow the same video loaded several times on your channel. This software has hundreds of background music tracks. All you need to do is take a previously made video and load a different background music track, and now you have a new video that YouTube will allow you to upload. Think about this for a minute. What if you could upload 5 to 10 different keyword videos a day? After a week you could have 35 to 70 videos working for you 24/7. After a month, 1,050 to 2,100 videos working for you 24/7, generating traffic and making you money. After a year? Well, you do the math. Imagine having thousands of videos for your business, completely overpowering your competition for a Google and YouTube search. Harvey says he has 200 videos for one of his business offers, where if anyone does a keyword search, all they see are his videos with his competitors' videos showing 10 to 20, even 30 listings below. In fact, Harvey just may do that with this video. If you do a search on YouTube typing in Harvey Silver Fox, you will find Harvey has over 1,000 videos dating back 10 or more years. Harvey says it's like playing Monopoly. He calls his videos real estate. Each time he produces a video, it's like having rental property when playing Monopoly. Every time someone lands on Boardwalk, Park Place, Marvin Gardens, he makes money. Let me ask you this. How much have you spent in the last year to advertise your business? Videos are free to make, excluding this software. In Harvey's live training room, he will teach you how to keyword your videos to rank them with your competition. Yes. As a Silver Fox JV member, Harvey will meet you in his live online training room and help you produce your videos with this powerful video producing software, and teach you how to rank them at the top with your competition. Changing direction for a minute. This software offers a perfect money-making opportunity working from home. What if you produce videos for local businesses using Harvey's video ranking techniques, moving that competitor's video to the bottom or the second page, as I talked about a few minutes ago? Here's what you do. Find a business category such as real estate, insurance, auto repair, restaurants, plumbers, and yes, maybe personal fitness trainers. Produce several videos for each category and rank them, pushing the competition to the second page. Contact that business and ask if they want to rent or buy your video. If they say no, say, "Not a problem, I'll contact your competitor and ask if they want it." What's great about this sales technique is, if you get your video ranked above that business's video, they would be motivated to take you up on your offer. I think you get the idea, the several ways you can make money with this software. As an example, Harvey will produce a free trial video using this software for your business to show you how it works. Hey, if you do not want to keep that video, not a problem. He will offer that video to your competition. Okay. I think you get the idea. Follow the arrow and scroll down in the description of this video to request your free video for your business, and find a 7-day free trial for this powerful video production software.